So hi everyone, we are group 2 and our topic is all about NAND gate. So first, a NAND gate is a logic gate that generates a false output only if all of its are true. Any Boolean function may be implemented using a combination of NAND gates, which is why the NAND gate is so important. So how NAND gate is used? NAND gates are used to identify a single digital system input has gone low. For example, the condition of sensors linked to windows and or doors could be monitored using a simple security system consisting solely of NAND gate. So, how does NAND gate store data? NAND gate flash preserves data in blocks and stores it using electric circuit. A metal oxide semiconductor will provide an additional charge to the memory cell when power is removed from NAND flash memory, allowing the data to be retained. So what is true about NAND gate? A NAND gate has one or more inputs and only one output. The NAND gate's output is always logic 1 and only goes to logic 0 when all of the NAND gate's inputs are logic 1. In other words, the NAND gate's output is always true if at least one of its inputs is false. So operation. The NAND gate have the attribute of functional completeness. That means any additional logic, function, and or etc. can be done solely with NAND gates. NAND gates can even use to build a whole CPU. It also uses less transistors than a NOR gate in TTL ICs with multiple emitter transistors. The functional completeness of NAND gate is used in digital systems that utilize particular logic circuits. The output is low only if all inputs are high. The output is high if there is at least one low input.
The logic function of NAND gate complements the output of the logic AND gate to satisfy the series combination of NOT and AND functions, which produces NAND function. In simple terms, the output of the NAND function is the inverted or opposite output of the AND function. The symbol of the NAND function is the same with the AND function, but with an inversion bubble in the output. The NAND function is expressed in a Boolean expression represented as Q, which is the output, equals the product of inputs A and B with an overlined which denotes NOT function.
Now, I will discuss the truth table of NAND gate. But first, I will talk about the NAND gate. When output of an AND gate is inverted to a NOT gate, the operation is called NAND operation. The logic gate which performs this NAND operation is called NAND gate. The logic construction of NAND gate is shown in this figure. The symbol of NAND gate is similar to the symbol of AND gate, but one bubble is drawn at the output point of the AND gate in the case of NAND gate. Now, let me show you the truth table of NAND gate. But first, let me explain what the truth table shows. It shows every possible input combination to the gate with the resultant output depending upon this combination of this input. So, here is the truth table of two input logic NAND gate. So, output is whole bar of A dot B. When A and B are 0, the output is 1. When A is 0 and B is 1, the output is 1. When A is 1 and B is 0, the output is 1. And when both A and B are 1, the output is 0. It's just reverse of the truth table of an AND gate. NAND gate is actually means not AND gate, which means the output of this gate is just reverse of that of a similar AND gate. We know that the output of AND gate is only high or 1 when all inputs are high or 1. In the case of NAND gate, the case is just opposite. The output is only low or 0 when all inputs of the gate are 1.
Now let's go to the switch base equivalent. This is an example of a NOT gate switch base diagram. This X is represented as the lamp or the bulb, then itong A and B are the inputs. Let's show it in a truth table. Ayan po, this is a truth table. Then this letter A and B, these are the inputs, and the F is represented as the output. Now 0 and 1, what does it mean? 1 means that the lamp is on, or the switch is on, and 0 means it is off. Now if both of the inputs are switched off, then the lamp is on. But if A or B is switched on, but the other one is switched off, then the bulb or the lamp is switched on. But if both of the inputs, if both A and B are switched on, then the output, the lamp or the bulb is switched off. Thank you.
My name is Etcubañas, going to list the IC equivalents for NAND gate. Let's tackle the first, the IC base equivalent, the 7400 quad 2 input NAND gate. The input pins are 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, 12, and 13. The output pins is 3, 6, 8, 11. The GD is 7, 14 is the BCC. Quad 2 input NAND gate because there are 4 NAND gate na nandyan. Then 2 input because 2 inputs per NAND gate. Next is the 7410 333 input NAND gate. The input pins is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 13. The output pin is 6, 8, and 12. The GND is 7 and the VCC is 14. 333 because 3 NAND gate, 3 input kada isang NAND gate. 7420 dual 4 input NAND gate. The input pins is 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, and 12, and 13. The output pin is 6 and 8. Here is the output pin. The GND is 7 and the VCC is 14. There are no connection, which is 3 and 11. Dual input NAND gate because dual is 2 NAND gate. 4 input because 4 input per NAND gate. Lastly is the 7480 single 8 output NAND gate. The input pins is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, and 12. And the output pins only is 8 here. Is all the input pins go to the output pin. The GD is 7 and the VCC is 14. And there is also no connection, which is 9, 10, and 13.